Hello and welcome to this module on U.S. regulatory and compliance considerations. The goal of this module is to assist the medical affairs professional in understanding and adhering to regulatory and compliance matters in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. The module will primarily focus on the United States Food and Drug Administration's FDA's jurisdiction over the dissemination of information about drug products and the governing regulations, guidance documents, and compliance related to drug development and approval. Note that this module focuses on the United States FDA and its regulations. Other countries or regions have their own governing agencies with regulations that may or may not reflect those discussed here. Upon completion of this module, learners should be able to explain FDA's authority and jurisdiction under which it regulates the dissemination of information, including advertising and promotional labeling about prescription drugs. Explain the regulatory requirements for prescription drug advertisements and promotional labeling. Explain the issues concerning the dissemination of information about a prescription drug product prior to its approval. Explain the issues around special types of advertising and promotional events, including the Physician Financial Transparency Reports, also known as the Physician Payments Sunshine Act, and how they relate to physician customers. Explain on-label and off-label issues concerning approved prescription drugs and the issues concerning the dissemination of off-label information. Explain corporate integrity agreements. Explain the issues concerning direct-to-consumer advertising of prescription drugs. Describe the interests of FDA and other federal and state law enforcement agencies in monitoring the dissemination of information about prescription drugs. This module is organized around the following major facets of U.S. regulatory and compliance considerations. Lesson 1. FDA jurisdiction over prescription drug advertising and promotional labeling. Lesson 2. FDA regulatory standards for advertising and promotional labeling. Lesson 3. Requirements for advertising and promotional labeling. Lesson 4. Special types of advertising and promotional events. Lesson 5. Promotion versus scientific exchange and solicited versus unsolicited requests. Lesson 6. The on-label and off-label controversy. Lesson 7. Direct-to-consumer promotion. Lesson 8. Compliance and other law enforcement agencies. Thank you.